Are you tired of struggling to start a fire during your outdoor adventures? Well, look no further, because in this exciting YouTube video, we've compiled a list of the best fire starters that will revolutionize your camping experience. From traditional tools to innovative techniques, we've got you covered. Get ready to explore the world of fire starting like never before. We'll introduce you to the trusty ferrocerium rod, a reliable and versatile option that sparks flames effortlessly. But that's not all. We'll also reveal the secret of creating DIY fire starters using a simple combination of cotton balls and petroleum jelly. Prepare to be amazed by the blazing results. Whether you're a seasoned survivalist or a camping enthusiast, this video will equip you with the knowledge and tools to ignite the perfect fire every time. So grab your marshmallows and join us as we embark on this fiery adventure together. Get ready to become the master of flames with our hand-picked selection of the best fire starters out there. Number 1. AOFAR Fire Starter. Made to work in any weather condition, this fire starter by AOFAR is one of the best fire starters on the market. It comes in a pack of 2, so even if you lose one you still have a second spare, and you can even use both at the same time if you're working in tandem with someone else. It can take a while to get used to this method of starting fires, but once you know how the motions work, it'll be second nature to you. Number 2. Prepared 4X Fire Starter. Fire starter tools don't cause fires on their own. Instead, they create sparks that, when coming into contact with tinder or any other flammable dry substance, causes the fire you're looking for. This is all well and good, of course, until you end up in a situation where you can't find any good branches or tinder to start a fire with. Prepared 4X's fire starter tool has the solution. It comes with a wick that's placed right in front of the fire starter, catching the sparks and causing the fire to start without any need for dry branches or leaves. Number 3. Lightning Fire Starter. The term fire starter usually refers to one of two things. It's either the reusable tool set that lets you create sparks or start small fires, or it's the flammable material that you can use to make fires grow quickly and reliably. This set of fire starters by Lightning Nuggets belongs to the latter category, and you can use these little pieces of material to start fires in just about any scenario. You can use it in the woods, at home, in your backyard, or anywhere else that's in need of a fire. They must be stored in a cool and dry location, however, if they are to be used effectively. Number 4. Everest Fitness Fire Starter. The Everest Fitness Fire Starter is a must-have for campers, survivalists, and adventurers. This magnesium fire starter is made of high-grade material to ensure a blazing hot spark even in damp outdoor situations. The ferro rod easily and reliably produces a spark with only a few strikes, offering up to 12,000 strikes. The fire starter is designed to be compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry in your pocket or backpack while you're out exploring the great outdoors. The multifunctional use of the fire starter makes it a great addition to any camping supplies list. It can be used as a straight-edge striker, tinder scraper, map scale, ruler, hex wrench, or bottle opener. The Everest Fitness Fire Starter is an essential tool for any outdoor enthusiast. Its reliable ignition capabilities make it great for any camping or survival situation. Its multiple uses make it an excellent choice for all your outdoor adventures. The fire starter is sure to become a favorite piece of equipment on all your nature expeditions as the best overall choice on our list. Number 5. Swiss Safe Fire Starter. The Swiss Safe Fire Starter is a must-have for any emergency survival kits or outdoor camping trips. Each box includes 2 fire starters equipped with a unique design that provides instant fire in any weather conditions. With over 16K strikes at 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit, both starters provide reliable access to fire when needed. Each starter also features a multi-tool design that includes a built-in compass, 150 decibels whistle, steel scraper, 450 pounds 8-core paracord, and rod. The entire set is incredibly compact and lightweight, weighing less than 2 ounces and 5 inches long. It's more reliable than using matches or lighters and can easily fit into your backpack or pocket. Whether you're planning an outdoor camping trip or packing an emergency survival kit, this handy accessory should be at the top of your list. The Swiss Safe 5-in-1 Fire Starter proves itself to be versatile and efficient with its high-quality construction and reliable performance.